lots of rich material.
I know once you start
Personally, for me to work with here, and
once you start unfolding it, there is a lot to it. But I
yeah,
think
no doubt.
you can see that when I was started to talk about Davidoff, I said the whole thing can collapse down into quite a small but very powerful set of ideas. You know, about this history of ideas that's fostering orientation, that refers to the foundations of the subject,
Mm,
and is ideally it's something that can unfold into into the content of at least a subtopic of your domain of interest. So it's highly concentrated. It's
mm,
like the idea itself. This is why people use the analogy of things like germ cell, is that it's like you've taken a large, well, a domain of whatever domain you're interested in, and somehow you've identified features of it which will collapse down
mm,
into some seed-like quality,
mm,
and then you're effectively trying to pass this over and allowing it to bloom experientially.
mm.
Experientially, and that's. I know you said one of the things you wanted to look at was, for example, differences between notational learning and development.
Mm.
Now, does that start to fit in with you? Do you start to
Yeah,
see
very
because
much.
if you're just notation can be, you know, it's a skill, and it's one that in our culture is valued, and but it it's problematic, I think, if we just learn the system of notation and don't exercise any work upon what the notation is actually about. If we just take it as given, then we're not really breaking into it. We're just secondhand users of
Mm,
these ideas,